Uh, Pleasant start noise. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Corey. Just started the video and already have to clear my throat. um, this is the 3D construction kit for the Commodore Amiga. I actually had one of these when I was a kid. My dad got it from, I think his boss or something like that. I can't remember the specifics, but regardless, when it came in, we got it around the time that some of my friends were getting the IBM PC, or DOS compatibles and Windows compatibles and IBM compatibles and that sort of thing. Um, and I thought it was jank, and I got to looking into it later in life and realized that apparently I was mistaken in this. This is supposed to be a pretty sweet setup. So anyway, I'm gonna check this out. I've never actually seen this game. I don't even know if it's a game. It may be a software set. But we'll take a look at it. All right. So we can turn. Oh, we can shoot stuff. All right. So let's see if there's anything around us. What does this do? Can I drive off the edge? Soundtrack's great. All right. Well, let's create something. Um, let's select this rectangle. And oh, oh. Um, let's test it. Gonna run another. Okay. Ah, don't make it go away. All right. So I don't know. No, 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 no. I don't know what that means necessarily. Let's load data. Can we load anything? Guess not. Oh, wait, no, it's thinking about it. This, boys and girls, is the sound of a computer thinking from back in the day. And I exited out of it before we could do anything. You're welcome. Let's try this again. Okay, 3D kit, borders data, readme kit. I know there was a. Let's try that. Let's open up sample. Okay, good. Let's create an object. What if I mode walk, fly? I don't know. Condition for the Pentagon. Its current condition is it's tired and bloated. See what that does. Command not recognized. All right. I I used to know how to do not all this stuff. How do I find Freescape 2? That's what I really want to. That's what I really want to check out. So there's the about. That's an ad for a thing. What if we clear all? Okay, destroy all the data. Create an object. Create an area. Create conditions. Make. All right. See what that does. 3D kit borders data. See what's in data. Maybe that's where Bungalow House kit game. Let's try that. Okay. This is going to be the best video. Oh my god. Is that the runner disc? Sure. Don't know what any of this means. Because it's been like 20 something years. I think we broke it. I want to post this video anyway because why not? That was nothing. Oh, wait a minute. We might be making a thing. Just hang on. The runner disc. I don't know. Let's try that again. There we go. Now, what if we load a border? Oh god, I don't know what any of that means. I don't want to do that. Load data. So we'll load the game. Try that one more time and see what happens. Ah. That was not great. We may just be starting over. Yeah, I think we're just starting over. I'll wait and see if free space pops up. And nope, 3D construction kit. Like that, just something. All right, well, in continuing on my mission to put up stuff that nobody would want to watch, that was 3D construction kit for the Commodore Amiga. I'll play something good at some point. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.